dot x equals, and we need to put any kind of number in here. I'm going to put 139. And of course, for those of you who don't really know what I'm doing here, I'll show you in a second. All right, I'm going to put 70. All right, so on my stage right now, if I bring in my info window, all right, just check out the X and Y axis over here. Right here is where I'm going to be putting my, if I can get it, where is it? There we go. That's where, well, I just about had it. Anyway, in this area in here is where my X and Y axis is going to be set up. So this is really going to be the top registration, or the top left registration for the FLV playback, all right, that gets put on the stage through Actionscript. So that's basically what we just set up. And I really have this set up in this location because, you know, I've got some art that I'm planning on creating to just kind of house the video player so it doesn't look real empty. Okay, so our next step is, let's add the video to the stage. All right, and how we do that is say add child, and we need to reference our vid player. All right, so vid underscore player, closing parentheses, semicolon, and let's go ahead and close this down. What we have to do now is define our progressive or streaming so we can have the player tell us whether or not the video is going to stream. And this is a way for you to kind of update, obviously, viewers if they're watching and they want to know if it's video or streaming or downloading. So let's say private function progressive underscore or underscore streaming. Opening parentheses, create like a variable e colon video event, closing parentheses, colon void, opening bracket, and let's go ahead and set up our volume first. Volume underscore transform equals new sound transform, opening closing parentheses, semicolon, and let's set up the video or streaming. Okay, what this is basically a very small if statement. So we need to say if opening parentheses vid underscore player. What we're going to bring in here is the basically the net connection manager. All right, so we're going to say ncmgr with a capital M. All right, and then we're going to ask it. All right, if is it RMTP, which is a streaming. So is RTMP. Okay, closing parentheses, opening bracket, next line. So we need to reference our update text. We're going to say update underscore text dot text equals, and here's where we tell it what to say. So for starters, we'll just say, you know, video status. Your video is streaming. Closing quotation marks, closing parentheses, semicolon. All right, so basically what we're saying is if the video player is streaming, then here's what we want it to say. Now we need to create an else statement to tell us if it's not streaming.